guys, we're back with another video, and today we're unboxing this paper shredder. A couple weeks back, maybe a week back, I unboxed a $30 paper shredder. It's pretty cheap, and this one's about $40. And the reason why I upgraded is because this one can do 8 sheets of paper at one time. And it's also a cross-cut paper shredder, so it's more secure than the long strips that it cuts into for the previous one that I had. So first I'll show you around the box. Let me just lift this up a little higher. There's nothing there. The box is pretty loose. It doesn't seem very stable. This is also how it came in to my doorstop, so yeah. Okay, it safely shreds credit cards or paper clips and staples, so that's pretty good. And on the other side, yeah, 3-year warranty. It's pretty good. So yeah, let's get this opened up. Not exactly sure where to start. I assume this is the top, since it has this latch over here. There we go. Pull that out. Caution. Blades on this side. I'll just pick it up with the bag. I'm not exactly sure about that. It's pretty heavy. Whoa, okay. Inside we have the little can that it would store the paper in. All the shredded paper. Put that away. This inside. I'll just dump this, just like little bits of cardboard in there. Alright. Seems kind of dirty. Not exactly sure why. Maybe this was used. But I did not order a used product. Maybe that's just dust, because it gets off just like that. So, over here we have the shredder. And as we can see, the blades are right there. So we're gonna carefully open this. Okay. Just want to make sure not to place my fingers in there. Okay. It also comes with a manual. Let's go see what's inside here. It's another sheet at the back. A warning, not to place your fingers, stuff like that. It's not very important, but okay, so this is the actual manual, professional grade. Yeah. It's not too important right now. Let's flip this over. Oh god. Okay, so it does come with some twist tie. Let's just untwist that. Alright. So that's a pretty long cable. Is this detachable? Nope, it's stuck in there. So the cable's about 3 to 4 feet. Possibly 5. I'm gonna say 4 feet. But yeah. It's a pretty decent size. Alright. Now let's figure out how to put this on. I'm assuming it's this way. No, I'm not sure. Okay, no, it's not that way. Alright, it has cutouts. So it's the opposite way. There you go. I'll lower the camera to get a better angle on this. It fits right in. It has a little groove at the back. Over there. So that's how you know which way to place it. Also little fans over here, I guess, to cool down the motor. And yeah, you insert paper here, maximum 8 sheets. And it has a off, a on, and a reverse. God. Yep. Alright, so I'm gonna connect this to a power port and we are gonna shred some paper and see how it is. Let's have a customer service number right there, so that's pretty interesting. Yeah, I'll see you guys back. Alright guys, I got it connected to a outlet, and over here I got 8 sheets of paper, and I'm just gonna put them right in and see if it starts up. That is quite something. Just went right through all of them. Wow. Alright, so yeah, that was pretty good, damn. Let's go see how much is inside. I'll turn it off first. Just lift it up. There it is. That was pretty good, honestly. They're still a little bit stuck onto the blades, but I'm sure those would fall off